Now that we have Windows 7 up and running, we need to make it vulnerable for our pen testing lab. Let's minimize this Kali 2016 and Metasploitable and focus on this. I close this window, okay, now I have it. In order to make this system vulnerable, we will install a vulnerable application and exploit that using Kali later. So, open up your Internet Explorer in Windows 7. By the way, let's turn off the firewall again because we are now connected to the internet. Check firewall status. Okay, let's do it like this. For home or private work network location settings, the firewall will be turned off, but for public network location settings, it will be turned on. Okay. Now go to this URL, www.exploit-db.com. This is a huge exploit database. You can find lots of exploit codes in this site, and many of them are actually already included in Metasploit. Since we have this URL now, click the URL bar again and then type exploits 22094. Okay, you will end up with this Manage Engine Security Manager Plus exploit. As you see the details here, you will have this download exploit links and also download vulnerable app shortcut. Click download vulnerable app by clicking this icon. Click save. Let's save it to the desktop. Click save. Unsave. It says this, but disregard because we know what we're doing, right? Okay. Once you downloaded this file, click run. Click yes. Okay, let's close this because I opened this file 2 times. Okay, now it is installing. Next, yes, next, next. Don't worry about the details of this application. It is simply a vulnerable application, which we will take advantage of this using Kali in the upcoming lectures. Leave this checkbox on, says start server now, and click finish. You will see an icon in the taskbar. Now it is starting up this application. As you can see, server status starting. By default, this application does not accept remote connections. Instead of dealing with the program settings, as we have done in the previous lecture, let's disable the firewall again. Turn Windows firewall on or off. Let's turn off for home network and turn off for public network settings again, and click OK. It might not make sense at first, but remember, you first need to learn how exploits and payloads work. Then you can focus on advanced stuff like bypassing firewalls, etc. It says it stopped, so I start the service manually by right-clicking and then clicking Start Service button. Okay, it says Security Manager service started in 24 seconds. Running. Service status, running, which means it is fine. And that's it. Now our Windows 7 is ready for our exploitation attempts, as we will do shortly.